Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the click to call button on Wix. So you're going to have to go to add elements and then simply search for call button, and then what you're going to have to do next is simply click on book button. So if you want, you can click on the book button or the icon buttons, and as you can see here you can simply use any of these, and then you can simply go to settings, and as you can see you're going to be able to choose a link. So here you can simply add your phone number and then click on done, and whenever someone clicks on it they're going to be able to get your phone number and call you. So here if you want to change the icon you can simply upload a phone icon, and basically that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.